Duvasawko, healthcare billing specialists offering premier billing solutions for physicians by physicians. Duvasawko isn't necessarily a name you've heard in the industry, but it is certainly one you'll hear more about in the future. On January 19, 2004, Healthcare Billing Systems became Duvasawko. The change marked a significant milestone for the company. Not only did the firm change its name, it also completed a bold expansion of its operations, building a new state-of-the-art facility in Daytona Beach, Florida, to better serve its clients. We are proud to announce the new household name in healthcare billing, Duvasawko. Started with only a handful of employees in a family feel, Duvasawko has matured into one of the nation's top billing solutions providers for the healthcare industry. Yet it embodies the same qualities and ethics that founded the company, to provide physicians with more of what they earn by applying cutting-edge talent and technology to the complexity of the modern healthcare billing landscape. This has gone from a startup dream to an unparalleled standard of excellence that is leading the industry in recovering lost dollars for hard-working physicians.
I'm Dr. Chuck Duva, the CEO of Duvasawko. We are a company that produces solutions for physicians by physicians. This company was started out of the frustrations of myself and my partner and some of my other shareholders of our physician corporation that specialized in emergency medicine.
Well, my name is Dr. William Sawko. I was a practicing emergency physician starting in 1981 up until the time that we opened the business. The reason that we started the business is I was not only a practicing emergency physician but was also directly involved in the management of our practice for at least 7 years prior to starting the billing company. And during that time as a manager of our practice, I experienced nothing but frustrations with all of our billing companies, primarily getting the type of data that we needed in order to manage our practices, but also noticing just a very severe lack of attention to detail and processes, which at one point it finally became clear to us that we could do a better job than these billing companies were doing for us.
Duvasawko was built by physicians who understand the needs of their peers. This deep understanding infuses everything the company does, from contact with doctors to working with claims processing agencies. Duvasawko maximizes every opportunity to make the connections between doctor, patient, and healthcare provider the best they can be.
My name is Richard Stromberg. I am the president of the Emergency Resources Group, which is a group practice of 80-some physicians. We cover emergency departments as our core business, but we also have hospitalist practice and urgent care practice as part of what we do. We have been in practice for almost 25 years and have had some experience in the business of emergency medicine. We came to a point where we decided that our largest expense after professional services was in fact billing and collecting. To do the best job we could for the least expense, we actually used more than one billing company and were able to compare one to another. Ultimately, one of those billing companies was Duvasawko, and ultimately we came to the decision that we were better served by moving all of our billing services to Duvasawko. We noticed in head-to-head comparison of really quite identical cohorts of charts that our collection rate was higher, our complaint rate lower, our coding we felt was maximal and justified, and so in general we were more pleased. Beyond that, we thought there was an additional value-added service that we did not receive from other billing companies, and we have had experience with 3 or 4 others. And that was that there seems to be an understanding of the clinical aspect of what we do and an anticipation of problems.
We treat each and every client as they are our own business. And what I mean by that is if I was the physician client, I would treat them exactly the way that we treat our own business. And that is that we take ownership, we take partnership with our clients. We repeatedly tell all of our clients that we are their most important partner because we are the life and the blood of their operation, and that is that we generate their revenue, and we generate revenues very successfully.